Hello guys! Sa video na ito, gagawa po tayo ng stock review for SPC Power Corporation, ang isa sa high-paying dividend stocks sa PSE. So kung isa kang long-term investor na mahilig sa dividend investing, sana makatulong sa iyo itong video na ito. So now let's check their financials. Unahin na natin yung kanilang revenue at net income. So for the revenue, from 2019, bumagsak ito noong 2020 dahil na rin sa COVID-19 pandemic. But from 2020 to their latest trailing 12 months, consistent itong tumaas. While for their net income, makikita natin na from 2019 to 2021, bumagsak ang kanilang net income. But after nga ng bad performance ng kanilang financials noong 2021, nag-decide yung SPC na mag-focus sa expansion. That's why from 2021 to their latest trailing 12 months, consistent na tumaas yung kanilang net income. So meron silang 5-year average growth for their revenue na 19.32% while negative 2.14% for their net income. But since nag-start nga mag-focus ang SPC sa kanilang expansion noong 2022, mas maganda kung gagamit tayo ng 3-year average growth. So for the revenue, meron silang 41.18% while 13.60% for their net income. And for their equity, tumaas ito from 2019 to 2020 pero bumagsak noong 2021. But after nga mag-decide ng SPC na mag-focus sa kanilang expansion, tumaas yung kanilang equity from 2021 to third quarter ng 2023. So meron silang 5-year average growth na 3.10%. But since 2022 lang nag-focus yung company sa kanilang expansion, pwede rin natin i-consider yung kanilang 3-year average growth. So meron silang 9.63%. At para malaman natin kung meron bang strong financials ang SPC at kung kaya ba nilang bayaran yung kanilang short-term debt, kunin natin yung kanilang current ratio. Para makuha yun, kailangan lang nating i-divide yung current assets sa current liabilities. So yung current ratio ng SPC ay 6.03. Para sa akin, yung good current ratio is between 1.2 to 2. So meaning, right now, para sa akin, di ganun ka-attractive yung current ratio ng SPC. So, kaya ko nasabing hindi attractive yung current ratio ng SPC dahil meron silang malaking cash or cash equivalent. Maganda sana kung mas nagamit yung pondo para sa kanilang expansion. And maganda sana kung yung growth ng kanilang equity is nasa around 15% pataas every year para masabi nating nagagamit nila ng maayos yung kanilang pondo, knowing na isang mid-cap company ang SPC. At para naman sa debt-to-equity ratio ng SPC, para makuha yun, kailangan lang nating i-divide yung total debt sa total equity. So yung debt-to-equity ratio ng SPC ay 0.12. Based sa ating criteria, nasa low risk ito. So by that, we can say na meron silang attractive debt-to-equity ratio at majority ng kanilang pondo na ginagamit sa operations ay hindi galing sa utang. At kung titignan natin yung kanilang financials, halos walang utang yung SPC. So yung current EPS or earnings per share ng SPC ay 1.02, while yung kanilang PE ratio ay 8.04. So meaning, we are paying 8.04 pesos to earn 1 peso. And for me, that is attractive. At para naman sa intrinsic value ng SPC, ang ating computed intrinsic value ay 11.18 pesos. Using the margin of safety na 30%, ang ating buy below price ay 7.83 pesos. At para naman sa dividends ng SPC, consistent silang nagbibigay every year. Medyo lumiit nga lang yung dividends noong 2022 and 2023 dahil dito sila nag-start na mag-focus sa kanilang growth or expansion. And para sa akin, that is great move from the board of directors since gumanda yung financials ng SPC from 2022 to their latest trailing 12 months. And last February 2024, nag-declared ang SPC ng 0.60 pesos cash dividends. So ito ay nasa around 8 to 9% dividend yield. So abangan natin kung magbibigay ba sila ng additional cash dividend sa December. Since kung titignan natin yung dividend history ng SPC from 2018 to 2021, nagbibigay sila ng additional cash dividends every December. So hanggang dito na lamang guys ang ating review. Sana nakatulong sa inyo itong video na ito. Kung nakatulong man, please don't forget to like this video at kung bago ka sa ating channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button para updated ka sa mga future videos na i-upload natin. Maraming salamat po.